Hey programmers, in this video we will know about what is the function of the div tag in HTML and when should it be used. So let's begin the video. Before beginning the video, please subscribe us for more. So let's start. The div tag is versatile container in HTML that is used to group and organize content. It is commonly used for styling layout purposes, allowing developers to apply CSS styles. In JavaScript specific section of a web page, div tags are especially used when creating complex page complex page layout or when you need to group elements together for styling or scripting. When the div tag has no semantic meaning on its own, it plays a vital role in structuring content for better visual presentation. So this is question for you. When designing a web page, how do you decide whether to use a div tag or more specific semantic element like section? Comment below your answer. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to watch more, just follow us, or if you watch this in YouTube, subscribe us.